In this 2-minute demo, I'm going to walk through how to enroll a new patient into the system and record a dose for them. And then I'm going to search for that same patient from another facility to illustrate how the dual enrollment verification process works. So this is the landing page for RxRegistry. And as a staff member, I'm going to add a new patient. It's a quick 3-step process, and I'm going to fill out the required fields, which are configurable by state. And now I'm going to fill out their medication plan. And then finally indicating that they have consented to data sharing with SOTA, and this screen is configurable as well. And just like that, I've completed enrollment for this patient, and now I'm going to administer a dose to them or record a dose. Now, RxRegistry also integrates with EHRs. So in that case, all of this would be automated in terms of recording dose history. But in this demo, I'm manually recording a dose. I can indicate if the patient's received counseling services or enter any clinical notes. And so now that dose has been created. But again, this can be automatically done via an EHR integration. So now I'm going to search for that same patient from the perspective of a staff member at a different facility. And let's say that patient has arrived at that facility for an emergency guest dose. But first I'm going to see, okay, let me see if this patient's already in the system. So I've gone ahead and it's a dynamic search. I can see that there is a patient in the system that's matched on multiple fields based on search criteria. Because this patient's at a different facility, it's a restricted record, and I'm able to access this patient's record by attesting that it's for an emergency purpose, and they're here for an emergency guest dose. And then now I'm able to see that patient record, which I just created from a different facility. And at this point, I'm able to administer an emergency guest dose if needed, or go back.